Dünyanın en saçma kanalına hoş geldiniz. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, it's Ulaş. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this error in Camtasia. First we open Google and write Xmedia record. I think there's a problem in their websites, their original websites, so I'm going to download for another site. Okay, then we'll click program setup. You know, this is a MP4 file, so I choose MP4 from here. If you have problem with MP3 file, you choose MP3 right here. Then click your file, this plus, blue plus, yes, and code it. And it's done. Your problem is solved. Thanks for watching guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe.